Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Allison and I help all of you achieve a more elegant and feminine lifestyle. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then subscribe down below and check out my other videos. Today I'm going to be decorating for my favorite season and I dressed accordingly. I'm going to be decorating my space for the fall and for Halloween. I have some really cute decorations. Some of these we've had in our family since I was younger and it always just makes me so happy to bring them out every year. It reminds me of my childhood and having so much fun celebrating Halloween, and this time of year just makes me so happy. So between the old and cute decorations I have and some more elegant decorations like these pumpkins up here, it's a really great mix for the fall and puts me in such a great mood. I'll even show some DIYs and some affordable ways to decorate so that you can do it at home also. If you'd like to see more, then keep watching.
I'm starting with this little area above the piano, and we've had that pumpkin and this witch that my sister made forever since I was little, but they look so adorable. And then the skull I actually made in a ceramics class, and the candle I made also, which is going to be in a video, so stay tuned for that. And then I just added this adorable little pumpkin. For the kitchen, I switched out our normal black towels for these very seasonal and cute Halloween towels with little pumpkins on them in orange and black, and they make the kitchen look so festive. Then I put out Gordon, who is a trusted friend who's been around for a long time and quite a handsome fellow. I did a little tablescape for the table with some bits and bobs that we had lying around. We had these flowers that are actually pretty old, but the dried look of them kind of adds to the whole fall theme. And I just played around. I put some gourds in the basket and then decided I didn't like the basket and put them back on the tray. And I just moved things around until it looked right to me. And then I hung up this adorable ghost, which is also from the dollar store, and I like to call him Harold. On the windowsill, I shifted some things around so I had room to put on some decorations. So I just made room and moved what was usually on, and I put these two snow globes on that we've also had forever. It's a little witch inside, and it makes this noise, which instantly brings me back to my childhood and always reminds me of Halloween time. Then in my room, I decorated this little shelf just by taking off the things that are normally on it and putting on some pumpkins. I have these lights, but they ended up not reaching this shelf, so I just put them underneath. They're little pumpkins, they're super cute. But I put up this gorgeous pink pumpkin, an adorable black cat, a gold pumpkin, and then just added some of the things that I had on it before. And that pumpkin all the way to the right is actually the top of a candle that I saved and put up because it's so cute. And now you can see the lights down below. And I love this look in my room because it's understated and elegant but still feels festive.
If you like what you see, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe down below. I post videos every Sunday, so there's a lot more content coming up. Thanks!
Then outside in the hallway, I put down this little glittery pumpkin, and in this bucket we just have a bunch of fake fall foliage, and it looks so amazing all together. And it's the first thing you see when you walk in, and it's so welcoming and festive. There's a lot of different stuff in there, but it all looks so great together. And it was really fun kind of making this bouquet and making it my own and putting it together. Next, I have these great decorations, which are these little bats, and they're super easy to make. I can leave the template down below, and they come in different sizes. And you just trace them onto black paper and cut them out, and when you put them up, they look so awesome, and it takes up a whole wall and really looks amazing. It makes such a big impact, and it's so cute and easy to do. I had some extra pumpkins that didn't fit in the bucket outside, so I decided to stick them in with the flowers, but since there is a little water in the vase, I wanted to protect them a little bit, so I just wrapped the bottom in saran wrap and then stuck them in and played around until I liked the way it looked. And here is the finishing touch with the table all set up and the bats in the background, and I think it looks so great. It gets so cozy here at night, especially when I put some candles on, and it just makes me want to curl up with a Halloween movie. I'm so happy that it's decorated and we're very festive and appropriate for the season. I hope you liked it.
Thank you so much for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did. It makes me so happy to see all these decorations out and really gets me in the holiday spirit. I feel like I just want to sit back, unwind on the couch, watch a good Halloween movie with a warm pumpkin spice latte. Comment down below what your favorite fall drink is. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and hit subscribe on my channel so you never miss a video. When you hit the subscribe button, it really helps my channel to grow, and I appreciate it so much. I post videos every Sunday, so make sure to turn on that notification bell so you never miss one, and I'll see you there next Sunday. Bye!